1971, the year Plymouth dropped the Road Runner into its most aggressive body yet. And now, All-Speed Customs out of Muskegon Heights, Michigan, has brought one back to life with serious modern muscle under the hood. This build starts where all great restorations do, stripped down to bare metal, ready for a complete transformation. The lime green body went up on the lift, and the crew at ASC got to work. Underneath, RMS suspension components replaced the factory setup, giving this Road Runner a stance and handling that the original engineers could only dream about. Coilovers, tubular arms, the works. But the real story sits under that hood. A 6.4-liter Hemi backed by a Tremec TKX 6-speed manual. That combination puts serious horsepower through the rear wheels while keeping the driver fully connected to every shift. Inside, ASC created something special, a custom hybrid interior that blends modern comfort with classic Mopar cues. Black leather seats, a redesigned console with green accents that match the exterior, a modern touchscreen head unit, and a classic 3-spoke steering wheel with full gauges. Vintage air keeps the cabin cool, and the stereo system makes sure the ride sounds as good as it looks. Step back outside and take it all in. That Sassy Grass Green paint pops in the sunlight, sitting over a set of polished 5-spoke wheels. From every angle, front, side, or rear, this Road Runner looks like it just rolled off a showroom floor, except with about 400 more horsepower than it had back in '71. All-Speed Customs, Muskegon Heights, Michigan, building machines that make history hit different.